Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is languid. It is pronounced languid and spelt L-A-N-G-U-I-D. Think lang, like the beginning of language, the letter U, and then I-D. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Languid describes something that is lacking in vigor or energy, often appearing slow, relaxed, or lazy. For example, you could say, on a hot summer afternoon, the cat stretched out in a languid manner on the windowsill. Or, the music had a languid tempo, creating a dreamy atmosphere in the room. The word languid comes from the Latin word languidus, which means faint or feeble. Throughout history, it has been used to describe anything that lacks vitality or enthusiasm. Can you think of any animals which could be described as languid? How about a slow-moving sloth or chameleon? Both of these animals move very, very slowly and act in a languid manner. Synonyms for languid include sluggish, leisurely, relaxed, and unhurried. Antonyms for languid are energetic, lively, vigorous, and brisk. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, languid. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.